In this study we utilize passability judgments for an aperture to analyze how intrinsic factors like body scaling translate into virtual reality. To accomplish this, we utilized a between-subjects design with two conditions to compare: aperture passability judgments made by participants in the real world and the virtual world. The real-world setup consisted of a room with an adjustable aperture at one end and a judgment line at the other end. The judgment line was 4.42 meters away from the aperture. The participants were asked to make perceptual judgments about whether or not they could pass through varying widths of this aperture without rotating their shoulders. The virtual reality condition consisted of a to-scale virtual replica of the room and was viewed through an HMD. In the real-world condition, the experimenter slides the door to a specific width and asks the participant to open his or her eyes and make a judgment. The participant then opens their eyes and tries to make a judgment about the passability of the aperture. If they are uncertain, they can walk towards the door to make a judgment. In the virtual reality condition, a similar setup protocol is followed. The participant is asked to stand behind the line, and instead of closing their eyes, their view is blocked by a GUI as the door's width is adjusted. 4 values were recorded for each trial in both the conditions: aperture width, passability judgment, yes or no, if they walked or not to make a judgment, and the distance from the door in case they walked. For the results, please see our paper, A Comparative Evaluation of Passability Judgments in Real and Immersive Virtual Environments. Thank you.